RBI orders HDFC Bank to suspend issuing new credit cards. The RBI has ordered India's largest private lender, HDFC Bank, to temporarily halt all digital launches and sourcing of new credit card customers. The order came in view of the outages of HDFC's internet banking services over the past 2 years, including the recent outage on November 21. The RBI asked the bank to examine the lapses and fix accountability. SpiceJet to provide logistical support for COVID-19 vaccine delivery. SpiceJet's cargo arm Spice Express will provide logistical support for delivery of COVID-19 vaccines through a specialized service called Spice Pharma Pro. Spice Express has the capability to transport extremely sensitive vaccines in controlled temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Spice Express is prepared to distribute vaccines domestically and internationally. Google illegally spied on workers before firing them. US Labor Board. US National Labor Relations Board (NLRB) issued a complaint on Wednesday accusing Google of illegally surveilling and questioning workers who were fired for protesting against its policies and attempting to organize a union. NLRB also found Google's policies for accessing documents and its tactics for investigating employees unlawful. Google said it was confident it acted legally.
SEBI questions BSE's nod on key criterion in Reliance future deal. SEBI has asked Bombay Stock Exchange BSE to clarify on the NOC issued to the Future Group of amalgamating some of its subsidiaries, which was a key criterion in its deal with Reliance Retail. SEBI has pointed out 4 unresolved complaints registered against Kishore Biyani-led Future on its grievances platform and has sought clarification on them from BSE, Mint reported.
டிப்ளமோ இன் நர்சிங் படிக்க வேண்டுமா? உலகம் முழுவதும் வேலை வாய்ப்புகள் உள்ள முதல் படிப்பு 3 வருட டிப்ளமோ இன் ஜெனரல் நர்சிங் அண்ட் மெட்டர்னிட்டி. இந்திய மற்றும் தமிழக அரசின் நர்சிங் கவுன்சில் அங்கீகாரம் பெற்றது. சுமார் 30 ஆண்டுகளாக செயல்பட்டு வரும் நிறுவனம் தாம்பரம் அன்பரசு ஸ்கூல் ஆஃப் நர்சிங். இது தாகூர் குழும கல்வி நிறுவனங்களின் ஒரு அங்கம். இருபாலரும் பயிலலாம். பெண்களுக்கு ஹாஸ்டல் வசதி. அரசு மற்றும் சிறந்த மருத்துவமனைகளில் களப்பயிற்சி வழங்கப்படுகிறது. 100% வெற்றி, 100% வேலை. 2020-21 ஆண்டிற்கான அட்மிஷன் துவங்கிவிட்டது. அடுத்த ஆண்டு பட்டப்படிப்புகள் வழங்கும் கல்லூரியாக உயர உள்ளது.
PM to lay foundation stone for Energy Park in Kutch on December 15. PM Narendra Modi is scheduled to visit Gujarat on December 15 to lay the foundation stone of 30,000 megawatt renewable energy park in Kutch, which is slated to the world's biggest. The park is expected to take shape in the desert near the Indo-Pak border, said Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani. The park is a mix of solar and wind power. Sensex hits 45,000 for first time as RBI upgrades GDP forecast to 7.5%. Equity benchmark Sensex hit 45,000 for the first time during intraday trading on Friday after the Reserve Bank of India upgraded India's GDP forecast for 2020-21. The RBI expects GDP to contract 7.5% this fiscal from its earlier projection of 9.5% contraction. The Sensex was trading up 390 points at 11:10 am.
Reliance Jio leads funding round in mobile gaming startup Cricket. Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Jio on Wednesday invested an undisclosed amount in the series, a funding round of San Francisco-based augmented reality AR mobile gaming startup Cricket, taking the startup's total funding to $22 million. Cricket will inspire a generation of Indians to embrace AR. Our vision is to bring the best experiences to India, said Jio director Akash Ambani.
India's November trade deficit falls to nearly $10 billion. India's trade deficit in November fell 21.93% from $12.75 billion a year ago to $9.96 billion. Preliminary data released by the government showed merchandise imports contracted 13.33% in November to $33.39 billion from a year ago, while exports fell 9.07% to $23.43 billion. Major export items that dragged down growth included petroleum products and engineering goods.